Oh, there it is. Three of them.
All right, ready for the gun here.
We're not rolling, right?
What?
No, they're not.
The 15s will be next. Look how far back the E Scows are. They're still by the yacht club. They're going to do the 15s next? No, they're going to do the E's next. No, but look how far back half the E's are. Look at them. They're way the hell down.
We're not here yet.
Yeah. That's going to be a cluster having these guys in front of us.
We'll run right over.
How many points is Motus 15?
I don't know. Right how fast we're going.
Why do we end up bow down like that? How does that happen?
John needs to lose some weight. Time. 48.
This is exactly where you want to be.
40.
You're going to come right in behind this fleet.
All right, let's start scooting up. Time.
35.
30 seconds. Start scooting up.
30 seconds.
30.
Go up, get up right behind. I'm gonna come about here. Yeah, go.
Oh, you're bailing on the
right
plan.
up. Go right up the call. Ready? Let's go. We're gonna attack.
30.
Go above them.
Or 20. 20.
Below, dip, dip. Up. Clear.
25.
15, let's go.
I'm gonna just go this side. Wait a second.
We got to get up there.
Go now.
Inside 10. 7.
Let's roll here. Call.
Yeah, you stay down.
Call your picture.
You go up, John. I've got the balance.
Should we make it current?
Yeah.
Let's go. Ready about. Good roll attack here. We got GL 23.
No.
There.
That was ballsy. Good job.
Starboard! Bowing, huh?
Yeah. That's it. Let's walk on him. Come on.
Gotta hike harder than them.
Bang off so we can point. Alright, we're gonna way up a little bit. Big hike up on.
Good.
Hike.
Ooh. Feels too high.
We're pitching hard.
All right, we're getting gassed by these two boats.
Keep it up. Otherwise we're gonna get the boat a little bit. I can't.
Yeah, we got it.
Bang off.
Bang off.
I would need your tack now.
Okay, ready about. Here we go.
Tacking. Alright, cracking off a little bit for speed.
Yep, get a speed up.
We're clear to go back.
Okay, ready about.
Go for it.
Get a little speed. Here we go.
Puff air.
Trim please, a little bit, thank you. Acceleration. Alright, roll us.
Yep, drop that down. Start to drop it a little. Remember, you got that way down.
Thank you, yeah, thank you.
Rolling up. Here we go, everybody hiking. Lazy seats. Trim, please, trim. Heads up. wind here coming down. TJ,
Yep.
you how to stay in it. Trim your jib a little, please.
New breeze in 15 seconds. Compass says we're up.
Here comes big hike.
3, 2. I got it, Paul. Oh, I got the sheet. I've got the sheet.
Very nice, very nice. Good sister. All right.
Ready to jive?
Ready?
5, 4, 3. Let's do a Mexican to take it in.
Okay.
All right, so you do belly cord tight.
Yeah.
And then we'll jive. And then we'll jive and bring it in on the jive.
Cool.
Ready when you are. 5, 4, 3, 2.
Go for it.
Puff on in 2, 1. More. 3, 2, 1.
I'd say we hold this out. Hang on, please. Hang on.
Travelers all the way off.
This is gonna be a very
Pressure in 3, 2, 1. Big pressure.
Drag down.
All the way off.
Jump in my main already.
Where are we doing starboard taxi edges?
One coming. CX. Back off a little. Good.
You're fine.
Right there. Come back up. Yep, good. You got it. No, no.
You're up. You're fine.
It's going to be a very exciting work round. Because we're going faster than
All right, I'm all the way up at middle. Pressure in 3, 2.
Big time pressure. Here we go. Drop it down. Drop it down. A little farther. Farther.
All the way off.
Good. Give it a little bit. Yep.
This is holding.
Yep. Good. A little bang. Nice. Good. Thank you. Nice work, guys. Nice work. We got a VX here, but it looks like
He's cross. Yeah, he's crossing.
All of them bang in the corner and in the way.
We should be coming back right against him.
Yep. This is a pretty good angle.
Yeah, we're up. We're definitely lifted right now.
another VX coming up.
He's across.
You cannot make the mark yet.
We'll make the mark right at this guy, 310.
Keep going past him.
Ready, you got slight dip.
Let's go, right behind him. Ready?
Ready about. Nice tack.
As much height as you can get. Breeze is definitely going soft.
Think so?
Oh yeah.
Feels tough.
I feel like I'm working my ass off.
Oh yeah, we're still powered up. It's just it's softer than it was before. All right, windward takedown.
Thank you. Yep. Yeah, you go. Same strategy. Same strategy, different result.
5,
We're
4,
hunting these
3,
guys.
2, 1.
Yeah, still not yet.
I would say go right behind the S.
Right behind, yes.
27.
Exactly.
27? Yes.
Yes. Okay. I agree 100%.
45.
Wait.
40.
Yeah.
We're not yet.
Yeah, nobody coming across on this side.
Now.
Here we go.
Now.
Ready, Bo? Yes, own this entire side.
All right, we're racing, guys. 30 seconds. We can do this.
All right, speed up.
Let's go, speed.
Slow down a little.
Speed.
15.
Hold us here. Got nobody beneath us.
10.
All right, speed up.
Go, you're racing.
Bow down, Steven. Stay. We're racing.
You've got the whole fleet stood up. Stay right where you are.
We're gonna go left. Left is coming fast.
Here we go, wait up.
All right, wait.
One up.
That was exactly what I wanted to do first.
We are higher and matching all the boats to lure. 2 boats. You see him? All right, he just tacked on our hip.
You came up on him if you needed to. You could crack it.
Carpet tackers?
No.
No.
Yes. A little ways out, I'll let you know.
We're getting knocked off.
Yeah, we're definitely getting knocked. Lower than the guy behind us.
All right, you have a start.
Now matching.
They got us.
Should have you.
Don't even adjust course.
Come on up, come on up, come on up.
Sorry about that. Starboard tacker, starboard tacker.
I see him, I see him. Go.
Gotta go.
Let's go.
Gotta hold this.
Down, down. Yeah, we're gonna do a Mexican around the port bar. Come on up, come on up, come on up. Good.
Good, excellent. Way to keep it flying here, Paul. Hike. Let's not waste it. Let's not waste it. That's a colossal waste. Come on. Overlap. We got overlap, you guys.
guys have overlap on us, so.
Yep. How many going to drop?
I think we're gonna have to do a. Alright, they're going down. They're bringing it in. Okay, start going. Go, go, go. Back. Hey, guys. Oh, you guys. Holy. Driving. Go, driving. Get it in. Get it in. Four down. Four down.
I'm going.
Four down.
Stuck again. It's stuck.
I got it. It's attack.
Good ship. Good ship. Steal the boat. Line up.
Alright, you're eased off.
Oh.
Ease, please. You're eased. To get me going. Grab a chainy bit.
I'm going.
Okay.
We're in great pressure now. Out here, it looks a little bit lighter though. And I think we're getting close. No, we're not close yet. Are we?
Okay, ready to drive. Driving at 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very nice. Very, very nice. Look around. What are the other boats doing?
They already went through the finish. Melges, there's a Melges to leeward. Melges 15 to leeward.
Yeah, yeah.
That final race of the day?
I think so. Looks like everybody's going in. Good work, guys. I think we're on our way
We
back.
got 1, 2.
We were in the heat there a few times. I'm not sure where we kind of
The last bottom mark.
rounding. Yeah.
Because we had to go wide and 2 other boats went followed behind.
You know, we're sailing better, but so is everybody else.
Yeah. Steven, if I'm doing the jib all summer, I need stickers here that say splash zone. I mean, I'm drenched. Because there's little
That's a sign of dedication.
everything on here just goes.
That's much appreciated. You really did.
That one that came out from under the spinnaker on you? So did you did you not see him at all?
No. I actually thought you were talking about.
Yeah, that's what when you said I saw him, I thought. And then after he came out luffing,
That's a different boat
right?
From the other tag.
Yeah.